How to change fonts on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change fonts on Shopify. So first of all, log into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. Once you are in, from the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. A new tab will appear on the right side, where you will see your current theme. Next to it, click on the Customize button. This will open the theme editor. From the left side, look for the Theme Settings option and click on it to open. A new menu will appear where you will see the typography option. Now here, you can choose and change the fonts for headings, body text, and other sections. I want to change the body font style, so I will open the font list. Here, you can search or select a font from the list, and the selected font will be applied to your Shopify store. After selecting the fonts you like, click on Save at the top right corner to apply the changes. And that's it. This is how you can change fonts on Shopify. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.